So are those the new baby kitties?
Yes, they are. This one, he has a black spot right up here.
Yeah.
It's so cute. This one I've never held before.
I never held.
He's
this
trying
one
to
either.
crawl up my arm.
They're cute baby kitties.
One's
Oh,
crawling.
oh, he scratched ya? What are we gonna name the kitties?
I think this one should be named Callie 2.
Well, let's give it its own name.
I'm gonna name the white one.
Snow White.
Yeah, Snow White.
Snow White.
There's like
Or Snowy. Snowy can be his nickname.
Snowy.
What should mine be? Climber?
No, mine.
Dusty.
Mine should be
Dusty.
Icy.
Dusty?
Mom, I could call this the white one. The one Icy.
Icy?
Yeah.
This should be Dusty. Oh, he's scratching. I think he wants to go back in. I'll get you back in. There you go.
Do you like him, Izzy?